Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add extra baggage on Delta Airlines. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and visit delta.com. Click on the check-in option at the top of the page. Provide one of the following: confirmation number, sky miles number, and ticket number. Once you enter the information, you'll be taken to your existing flight reservation. Look for the Add Baggage or Modify Baggage option. Select the number of extra bags you need to check in. Additional baggage usually comes with a fee, so complete the payment. After payment, your extra baggage will be added to your booking. And that's it. That's how to add extra baggage on Delta Airlines. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.